Hello dear students, hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School. Dear student, today's video I'm going to start the next topic that is given in your Tune Into Grammar book. The topic is given in chapter number 8. So first of all you all take out your Tune Into Grammar book and open chapter number 8, and today's topic is action word. Okay, action words. So dear students, words like run, cook, read and eat tell us what a person, an animal or a thing is doing. They are called action words or doing words. Okay, what is action words? So words like run, cook, read and eat tell us what a person, an animal or a thing is doing. They are called action words or doing words. So here is the sum question for you. It is activity, so you have to do it. That is, what are the things that you do daily? Okay, what are the things that you do daily? For example, your daily things are bathing, eating, study, reading, writing, playing. These all are the activities that you have done in your daily life. Okay student, now there is a next stage, which is your favorite activity. What do you like most? So you like reading, writing, playing. You have to say one thing that is your favorite activity. Okay, and now the next is name two things that your parents and teachers do for you. So you will be say that for your mother, that your mother is cooking, cleaning, washing, like this, that activity done by your mother. Okay, and your teacher's activity, that your teacher is teaching and taught you different activity. Okay, so dear student, on page number 45 there is some pictures. So look at these pictures. What are these people doing? Okay, first of all we can see there is a first picture. This boy is running. Okay, this boy is running, mother is cooking, and this girl is reading, and given picture this girl is eating. These are the activity. Okay, so words like run, cook, read and eat tell us what a person, an animal or a thing is doing. So they are called action words or doing words. Okay, that activity that doing by a person, animals or things, that is called doing word or action words. Okay, so now we moving to the next, that is here are some more action words. Dear student, you must be learn this given doing words or action words. Okay, so these are jump, J-U-M-P jump, M-O-V-E move, B-R-U-S-H brush, P-A-N-T paint, B-A-T-H-E bath, S-L-E-E-P sleep, C-U-T cut, G-O go, W-A-L-K walk, C-L-I-M-B climb, S-T-A-N-D stand, S-I-N-G sing, S-H-O-U-T shout, SIT sit, FLY fly, FALL fall, WRITE write, CRY cry, DANCE dance, SKIP skip, LOOK look, HEAR hear, SPEAK speak, SMELL smell. So these are activity doing by a person. Okay student, doing by a person and animals. So student, now we moving to the next. These are the some information about the doing words or action words. Now we moving to the next, that is an exercise that is given in your book on page number 46. Okay students, so what would we do in this given exercise? So here is the underline the action words, underline the action words in these sentences. So here we going to underline the given action words. Okay, so in first sentence there is Anita sings my favorite song. Anita sings my favorite song. So tell me which activity, which action word is doing by Anita. So Anita is sings. So here is the given word sing is a action word that did by the Anita. So here we have to underline the given word sings. Okay. Now second is Rishu drinks milk. So tell me which word is the action word? So here is the given word drinks is an action word, so we have to underline the given word drinks. Okay. In number third, we play football. We play football. So tell me which word is the action word in this given sentence. So here's the given sentence. Play is an action word. Okay. We play football. So here's the given word. Play is a action word. So we have to underline it. Okay. Now number 4. In number 4, mother cooks pasta. Mother cooks pasta. So tell me which word is the action word? So the action word is cooks. Okay. The action word is cooks. Now the next, in number 5, Hina runs very fast. Hina runs very fast. So in this sentence, the action word is runs. Okay. So we have to underline the given word run. Now the next, number 6. Number 6, I love ice cream. I love ice cream. So which word is the action word? So here is the given word love is the action word. Okay. So we have to underline the given word love. Now the next, number 7. The cat climbs the trees. The cat climbs the tree. So here is the given action word is climbs. So we have to underline it. Okay. Now number 8. Jatin jumps over the wall. Jatin jumps over the wall. So here is the given word jumps is an action word. So we have to underline it. Okay. Now the next, number 9. In number 9, father reads the newspaper in the morning. Father reads the newspaper in the morning. So student, tell me which word is the action word in this given sentence. So the given word read is a action word. So we have to underline the given word reads. Okay. Now the next, number 10. In number 10, there is a sentence, the dog barks at the stranger. The dog barks at the stranger. So here is the given word bark. Bark is the action word, so we have to underline it. Okay. Now in number 11, the little rabbit hops over the rocks. The little rabbit hops over the rocks. So here is the given action word is a hops. So we have to underline it. Okay. Now next, in number 12, when we cry, mother gives us a hug. When we cry, mother gives us a hug. Okay. So student, tell me which word is the action word? So in number 12, the action word is cry. Okay. Now moving to the next, in number 13, I write good poems. I write good poems. Okay student. Student, in number 12, there is a one more action word, that is gives. Okay. When we cry, so cry is an action word. So mother gives is also an action word. Okay. Now in 30, there is a I write good poems. So here is the action word is write. So we have to underline the given word write. Okay. We have to underline the given word write. That is an action word. Now in 14, there is a can you fold this sheet of paper for me? Can you fold this sheet of paper for me? So here is the given action word is fold. Okay, can you fold this sheet of paper for me? So here we have to underline the doing word, that is fold. Okay, the action word is fold. So we have to underline. Now the next, the last one is let us go out. Let us go out. So here tell me which word is the action word? So here is the given word go is the action word. So we have to underline the given word go. Okay student. So is that clear to you that how could you find the action word in the given sentences? Okay, one more time I am going to repeat. So in number 1, there is the action word is sing. So we have to underline. In second, there is the action word is drinks. In number 3, play. In number 4, cooks. In number 5, runs. In number 6, love. In number 7, climbs. In number 8, jumps. In number 9, reads. In number 10, barks. In number 11, hops. In number 12, cry and gives. In number 30, write. In number 14, fold. And number 15, there is action word is go. So like this, we have to underline the given action word in this exercise. Okay student. So I hope is that clear to you that how could you find action words in any sentences. Okay. So student, that's it for today. I will explain the next remaining exercises of this chapter in my next video. Okay student, so till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you.